Hello everyone, Behan Shara Meg is here, and I've got a request from her as well. Let's invite her in.
Hi.
Hello Misha.
हाय हाउ आर यू एक सेकंड में इसको थोड़ा सा टिकाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ मगर आई थिंक वो टिक नहीं रहा नहीं ठीक है सही है ठीक है सही है हाँ सही
That's perfectly fine.
हाँ
How are you?
I'm trying I've been trying to test the lighting क्योंकि मेरे कमरे में लाइटिंग बहुत बुरी है but I'm trying
Lighting is here. I'm right now. I'm nervous. I'm excited, and I don't know what else.
why are you nervous I'm nervous मुझे anxiety हो रही है पता नहीं मैं क्या करूंगी क्या बोलूंगी
मैं बताता हूँ. Because I have been getting messages from the people, and they have been sending me a lot of messages. Like she is a wonderful lady. She is wow. She is amazing, and I'm like, okay, I am nervous, guys. Instead of being excited, I'm nervous like more than anything else.
नहीं I don't know वैसे I didn't expect people to be like sending lots of messages because मैं expect ही नहीं करती मगर चलो आगे तो बड़ी बात है I'm not that क्या कहते हैं celebrity ish ना टेंशन लो मैं ज्यादा anxious हूँ इस वक्त क्योंकि मैं कभी ये I don't even video call people because I'm so camera shy
It's the
but
case with me. Like, but अक्सर लोगों के बारे में कहा जाता है कि if you can do theater, then why cannot you face the camera? But they don't
because
realize it's
theater
totally
and
different.
camera are very different they're very
It's
different
very different.
That's why the
Because
whole film and theater वो conversation जो एक होती है कि बेहतर क्या है film या theater that's a whole other conversation that's why it happens right because acting in front of people to me is so much easier than acting with a camera pointed towards you because I don't know theater is more natural I think आप लोगों के सामने हो गलती का मौका ही नहीं है आपके पास आपने बस करना है और आप मतलब you
you
can't
just
be
have
self
one shot
conscious
and you have to do it.
yeah, exactly. There's nothing you can do about it. You just have to do it. So it's a little more, क्या कहते हैं, forward, I would say. Direct.
Okay,
I
then
would.
I would say that you are in a bit of trouble right now because I have, you can say, formed a rapid fire session for you. And in that, you
Oh,
have to
fuck.
test your acting skills as well.
Oh, no. That's going to be terrible. I can't act on camera. Oh, my
Because
God.
there is only one question, and not a question, it's kind of a, you can say, one segment in which you have to act in three different expressions.
Well, then. You're going to have a bit of trouble there. You're going to ruin my acting reputation right here. But मतलब मुझे कोई नहीं अब इसके बाद
So
accept
it's
करेगा
okay, like
as an
time is
actor.
just fun. But right now, I have some more important questions to ask that is related to Behan Shara Mek and that is related to you.
Are we starting?
So,
Wait, are we starting? Like शुरू? अभी 10 नहीं बजे, right? Should we start?
but that's okay. We are starting. Like no matter what, we are starting.
अच्छा, okay. Okay, ठीक है.
Do you have
Let.
like an interview face as well?
Do I have a what to face?
Interview face. Do you have an interview face?
No, this is it. That's all you get. और कुछ नहीं होना.
That's perfectly fine. That's perfectly fine. Okay, Misha,
Okay.
firstly, I want to know that
Hmm.
what have you studied or what are you studying in FC College right now?
Acha, I made a very bad decision when I decided to choose my major. I came to FC in a very like rush type में आई थी मुझे कोई फिक्र नहीं थी I applied to NCA and I got rejected क्योंकि मेरी drawing बहुत बुरी है and like उनका art test I failed like terribly and I was so bad कि तो मैं इतनी I was sort of how to say कि I was so क्या कहे मेरी स्पिरिट्स बिल्कुल खत्म हो चुकी थी सो आई जस्ट वन डे माय फ्रेंड शी वाज अप्लाइंग टू एफसी वो टेस्ट देने आ रही थी तो बल्कि आ रहा था तो both of them two my friends they asked me to come with them they picked me up they took me to FC I just applied बिला वजह और मैंने बिजनेस के लिए अप्लाई कर दिया BBA ठीक है and
Okay.
yeah and like I didn't
You were
know
going to NCA and you applied for BBA in FC College.
Exactly. I'm
Great.
part of the problem. I'm part of the whole capitalist problem. Yeah. नहीं मैं उस वक्त I didn't realize all of these things, right? Because I was 19 or 18 उस वक्त, and I didn't realize the magnanimity of how bad capitalism is and how I'm becoming part of the problem. Okay, for like okay, I didn't even bother changing my major. And then like 2 years in, when it was too late, I was stuck with it, and I'm stuck with it. Mera last semester hai, but like I did a whole BBA. So there's that. I
That
completely
is great.
fucked up.
It is a good story because, like, finally you have started a startup, you can say, and you might earn from it as a business student. You can add
Yeah.
something into it. So I
Yeah,
wanted
yeah,
to
yeah.
ask that
No, no. Yeah.
what was the motivation behind Behen Chara Meg?
Yeah, a lot of people probably expect there to be some noble story. Okay, I was, going through something, or I was something happened, or I was, part of something that made me suddenly realize that we need to do Behen Chara. Unfortunately, then fortunately, that isn't true because I come from I come from an extremely privileged, मतलब not extremely, but privileged enough, family, place, and I haven't faced oppression as much. But I have. Patriarchy doesn't escape any sort of bounds. I don't know if I'm even making sense. But what I mean is, I started it because I thought that it could be a good place for women, all types, everybody actually, to come and to be just like a feminist publication कि लोग आए और अपने जो भी लिखना चाहते हैं, जो भी art, anything, they can get represented, and they can have this space where they have us women representing them. Because I don't think, अब I don't know if that's true or not, but I don't think कि पाकिस्तान में ऐसी और कोई publication या magazine ऐसा है जो हर तबके की, हर जगह से, हर every type of woman को इतना represent करेगा. And that's idea जो बहन चारा का आया था ना initially. There's this, it came from, I should give credit where credit is due. It came from this American publication, होती थी, अब तो नहीं होती, पहले होता था एक online magazine called Rookie. Rookie Mag was an
Okay.
online publication, America में था. It was for teenagers. It was specifically centered towards teenagers. So it ended like a year or two ago, if I'm recalling it correctly. So what happened was I used to read it a lot, and like a year ago, I came across its archives or मैं पढ़ रही थी, and I realized कि it's very similar in its production, right? They feature art and writing and everything, culture, music, सब कुछ for teenagers. So I thought, what if Pakistan had something like that, but more for women, right? So then I looked पहले इधर उधर जरा कि कोई है ऐसी publication पाकिस्तान की, but नहीं थी ऐसे कुछ. So then I decided, might as well start it myself. So then I shared this idea with a few people, few of my friends, and then with a few other girls. But honestly, if I'm honest, I don't think I could have started this properly if we weren't in quarantine. Quarantine gave me so much like space and the time to design it and to think of the logo and to talk to people and to talk to other people and to talk, get opinion, and then have that time
Okay,
पूरा दिन की बैठ के.
this was actually the other question, that why did you decide to actually launch it during this quarantine? So I have got the answer right now.
Yeah, that, and another reason I thought it was really good to launch in quarantine is because it's something for people, something else for people to invest in, rather than being जो anxiety फैली हुई है, जो सब बीमारी है, जो सब कुछ है, उसको जरा क्या कहते हैं वो इग्नोर करके अगर हम थोड़ा सा ये कुछ और कर लें. That's why the first issue was dedicated to women's mental health during quarantine. So that was like one of the first issue we see with था ना कि क्या है जो भी है. तो इस वजह से I decided कि चलो मैं इस वक्त कर देती हूँ, to have something to do. And I was a little nervous as well because मुझे लगा था कि there's so much anxiety and there's so much problem around कि nobody will pay attention to this. But पता नहीं किसकी
That's why I
बात लग
actually
गई.
wanted to ask this question.
हाँ. I'm going to shut up. You ask.
Nah, that's okay. You are talking. That is the best part because you are camera shy. And you are talking. I'm like, okay, please keep talking. That's
हाँ,
good.
मैं अपने आप को देख नहीं रही इसलिए बोली जा रही हूँ. असल में I'm a little engrossed in the comments. काफी कुछ अजीब बातें हो रही है. I think they're not very nice comments. कुछ जरा offensive बातें हो रही है. I think. हाँ, some people are
Seriously?
saying इसे नमाज पढ़वाओ और पता नहीं क्या क्या। यार आप खुद जाके नमाज पढ़ लो, मतलब आप यहाँ क्यों हो
That's
अगर
why,
आगे।
you know, आज का जो मेरा सेटअप है ना, it's designed in a way कि मेरा सेल फोन थोड़ा दूर है. I cannot see the comments. So the best part is
आ,
ignore the comments right now and let's talk.
ओके ओके
So Misha,
ओके
I want to ask you one more thing. What are the
या
segments which you have introduced in this magazine? Because my personal favorite is Aapas Ki Baat, honestly. Because when it comes to Aapas Ki Baat, it's like आप अपने messages भेज रहे हो, they are anonymous, and when it comes to anonymity, people they send you a lot of messages. They just open up. So I want to ask you, what are the segments and what is your favorite segment? Because mine is Aapas Ki Baat.
इफ आई एम ऑनेस्ट मेरा भी सबसे फेवरेट आपस की बात है, ठीक है, बिकॉज आई एम एन एडवाइस कॉलम जंकी। मैं आई आई रिलाई ऑन एडवाइस, आई नॉट रिलाई, आई नेवर सेंट अ प्रॉब्लम इनटू एन एडवाइस कॉलम और समथिंग, बट आई लव रीडिंग देम सो मच। एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग कि यू नो कि पाकिस्तान में मतलब बचपन में हमने एडवाइस कॉलम पढ़ते होते थे जो वो संडे टाइम्स में आते थे, जो भी जरूरत आंटी होती थी एक, ठीक है। तो आई थॉट व्हाट इफ देयर इज लाइक अ लिटिल
Auntie
मोर ऑफ
Agni, Auntie Agni,
आंटी कौन सी?
Agni, Agni.
आई डोंट रिमेम्बर दैट। ये वाला कौन
She's
सा
in
था?
she's in Mag.
Does
It's
she
the
still
weekly
publish?
magazine. उसके अंदर हाँ, it gets published. It's a famous mag. It's
Wait,
Mag, the weekly
really?
magazine.
I thought advice columns सारे खत्म हो चुके थे. Like they ended the
हाँ,
minute
अभी भी
digital
है.
media was a thing.
मैग के अंदर अभी भी आता है और तो उसके लोग सवाल पूछ रहे होते हैं ना. बट बहन चारा के सवाल आर मोर इंटरेस्टिंग.
Yeah. See, that's why we started it. Because I wanted it to be somebody who is a little more modern. ठीक है, जो जरा मतलब मॉडर्न इन द सेंस कि हु कैन टैकल मॉडर्न प्रॉब्लम्स जैसे आजकल की होती हैं, बिकॉज आई एम प्रीटी श्योर not every one of us can send in our problems to आंटी जो मैग के अंदर पब्लिश करनी है, राइट? मे बी they're not, she's not very receptive. So we decided to launch आपस की बात with the intention कि यार there is so much क्या कहते हैं need for advice for some, not every person or every woman or every minority has somebody to talk to or to get advice from. Not everybody has like that older sister figure, yeah, अम्मी की figure जैसे होती है. So we decided to, you know, launch this. And the woman who does it, I will completely anonymous. I can't even disclose who Appa is, but the woman who does it, she's an extremely experienced, lovely, compassionate, modern, but also
I
still
want
not
to
that
know who
modern.
Appa is.
You, that is, there is absolutely no way you can know who Appa is. Appa is fully anonymous. Bas Appa hai, but she's a wonderful woman, and I think she handles problems pretty well, as far as I can tell. Answers me.
Actually, I think that theory that was about it was about like एक बंदी थी, उसकी जो दोस्त थी ना, she was sleeping with her boyfriend,
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
का जो
There was,
solution था, I loved it.
it was such a क्या कहते हैं problematic problem, right? कि इतनी एक वो
It actually
अजीब सी
is.
है इशू, एंड उस पर डिबेट भी काफी हुई थी इन द कमेंट्स, एंड आई वाज अ लिटिल टेकन अबैक इनिशियली, बट उस लड़की का भी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू सही था, एंड आई थिंक इट्स एवरीथिंग। मतलब अगर हम देखें ऑल ऑफ दीज प्रॉब्लम्स आर सो इंग्रेव्ड इन लाइक फेमिनिज्म कि
They
इतनी
are.
सो मच कि ईच मतलब छोटी छोटी सी भी नुक्ते में ना एक फेमिनिस्ट इशू है, no matter what the situation is. When it relates to women, there is some sort of a feminist issue. There's so many issues to tackle. मैं यही सोच रही थी पढ़ते हुए उससे कि एक बात से कितनी
इसलिए
बातें
सोचने का
निकले।
मैंने कहा, okay, let's see. Because when it comes to anonymity, people open up. They open up
Yeah,
like, okay, यार हमारा तो ये मसला है, like, हाल
that's
बता
that's
दो
why
बस.
that's why I want this to be fully anonymous, and I want people to send in whatever problem they have, right? बहुत अजीब अजीब problems होती है. APA is exactly here for that. We're not always thinking very clearly.
I want to know who Appa है.
That is never. Maybe if खुदा ना खास्ता कभी बहनचारा finishes और जो भी है, तब I can like you know एक announce करूंगी कि ये आपा थी, मगर उससे वैसे कभी नहीं हो सकता.
Okay, there's a question that what is that thing that people will be surprised to know about you?
Everything. Nobody knows anything about me. I mean,
Is that one thing
क्या मैं
that you
कहूँ?
say?
There's so many things. I don't. मैं क्या कहूँ मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही है. I have a tattoo. I don't know. I have 2 tattoos. Everybody knows that though.
Okay, I can switch it with another question, and that question is, how do you take care of your curls?
Of my curls. I thought you said girls.
It's
I was
very
a little
important
confused.
question.
मेरी बेटियां कौन सी हैं? I'm sorry. My curls. I actually मेरे बचपन से ऐसे I have never like used a specific shampoo or something for them at all ever. So they're just naturally like this. I shower and then I brush them and I put argan oil, but that's it. Nothing else. There's no other
That's
secret
great.
to my curls. They're just hair.
Misha, there are different operations going on right now with Behanchara Meg. Because you
Yeah.
guys are going through the mails, you guys are going through the stories which people are sending you, you're going through the articles. Apart from that, you guys are designing and you guys are answering the queries. So how do you guys prioritize these things? Like, do you have like Alina and you, or do you have more people working on it except Apa?
It's just Alina and I. So what we do is कि
You guys prioritize it.
I think it's just because of quarantine कि हमारे पास इस वक्त इतना वक्त है कि हम बैठ के कर सकते हैं जो भी है और मतलब पूरा दिन लग जाता है. ये एक बहुत मुझे लगता था कि since I'm doing work on my phone I can text or I can type or I can do this, वो हो जाएगा. And मैं मतलब मगर नहीं होता. It takes like a whole day to like बिल्कुल नहीं होता. It takes a whole day to sit down to write it out and it takes
Exactly.
days for us to like
Every
come up with a post.
operation demands
Yeah.
different amount of energy.
एग्जैक्टली और मुझे छोटी सी ना असल में एक नेक और बैक की प्रॉब्लम है. आई हैव फाइब्रोमाइल्जिया मुझे, तो उसकी वजह से ना आई कांट रियली स्टे लाइक ऑन विदाउट टेक में बैक की ऐसे मुझे कमर लगानी पड़ती है कहीं. आई कांट लाइक टर्न माई हेड डाउन. इट हर्ट्स. तो उसकी वजह से इट बिकम्स क्वाइट एग्जॉस्टिंग. मुझे लैपटॉप पे बैठना पड़ता है, मुझे फोन पे बैठना पड़ता है. तो आई नीड टू लाइक टेक ब्रेक्स एंड लाइक स्पेंड इतना कि मैं अब ये लेट मुझे जाके लेटना पड़ता है
Are you comfortable
स्पेसिफिकली.
right now?
क्या?
Are you comfortable right now?
या I've made मैंने अपने नीचे वो पिलो रखा हुआ है और तो
That's
पिलो रखा
fine.
हुआ
Because
है.
I was getting worried that please don't fall back. Take care
नहीं
of
नहीं नहीं
yourself.
नहीं नहीं I am well aware of how to like keep myself balanced is इन तरीकों में. तो उसकी वजह से but Alina takes a whole part of the load as well. Yeah, वैसे she spends so much time on it, she puts in so much effort and she takes such a big burden of it on herself as well. अगर वो ना होती तो this wouldn't have been possible. Without a doubt, this would have
She is
been
an
gone.
amazing lady. And does she
Yeah.
owe you food?
Alina and I technically live right next to each other. हमारा ना घर बिल्कुल एक दूसरे के साथ है. एक street
You are
away
the
है.
lady as well.
So yeah, I'm almost always at her place. Not in quarantine, but like I'm normally always at her place. So she is at my place, and we have dinner together a lot. So I don't think anybody owes anybody food anymore.
Because she owes me one.
She owes everybody a lot of food apparently.
Exactly. I just don't know. Because I thought that I was the only one that she owes food to. But when I get to know people, people are like, okay, she owes me food too.
I think she promises people food a little more than she can give,
Exactly. She
She's stuck
says
in the
that to
middle.
everyone. Like, we actually met once. We were at, जो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग की मार्च हुई थी ना, उस पे थे
Climate
हम
March.
लोग. ठीक है?
अच्छा.
अब उसके बाद ना वो कहती कि I owe you food. Like, without any reason, I owe you food. I was happy, like, a person owe me food.
देखो
And
वो
then she
Rina's
disappeared.
already mad at us. She's saying stop spilling my secrets. I'm sorry. I've been sidelined.
She is here, okay.
Yeah.
So,
यार मेरी
the
number one
magazine,
fan है लीना. अच्छा.
okay, the magazine is open for everyone, right?
Hmm.
But the kind of authors would you consider pursuing for this publication? I want to know about that.
Kind of authors. I think somebody, एक तो number one, I would want more people to contribute art, artists like digital art, paintings और ये वो क्योंकि हम contributions हर तरीके से ले रहे हैं. दूसरी बात जो when it comes to authors and writing, I think I want somebody who has good or like अभी भी हमें जो articles मिले they're wonderful and they're beautiful, but I want someone to talk about more personalized issues, as in I want people to talk about things from personal experience. I want some people to tell a story, to tell Bishop Wolf. I want people to write fiction, even if that's what it is when it comes to related to the topic. I want people to talk about something that they've been through. I guess more वही बात होगी ना कि I want more essay type of personal essay type of contributions जहाँ पे कोई अपनी बात करे, because we get a lot of academic things and that's wonderful and I still want academic things, like great, but to an extent I think I do want somebody to write a personalized experience, something that they have gone through, like storytelling, right? I want somebody to tell a story जैसे वो हाँ yeah
That
yeah I want somebody to write personal experience as long as they fall under the monthly theme जो हमारी है. We're a thematic magazine, right? So we want जो भी सारी submissions हैं, they have to fall under the monthly theme. So I want more fiction, yeah, more personalized experience.
well, that is great. And I have you actually have a penchant for feminism and theater.
Yes, I do.
Have you ever combined these two things? And if you have, then how was the experience?
Yeah, I want to. I want to do feminist theater more. The thing is that the last play I did, it was in 2017. After that, I decided to focus a little bit on my studies ताकि मैं ये graduate कर लूँ. मैंने सोचा था मैं उसके बाद फिर निकल के ना
Currently
फिर
निकल
करूँ.
होगा BBA से.
मतलब अब बस हाँ मैं graduate हो गई हूँ ना, तो बस वो जो मैंने play किया था ना, it was a one-woman performance. Mohammed Hanif का था The Dictator's Wife. Beautiful play, wonderful. ठीक है, it was
Okay.
a great play, and it was it was a feminist, well, not really feminist. It was more political, but to an extent, it was a feminist experience. You know, being the only woman on stage in front of an audience for like an hour, and it was one of my favorite experiences because it was a little क्या कहते हैं raunchy. It was a little explicit in some places, and it was just me on stage, and there were so many people over there, and they were like hooting or like पता नहीं हाँ yeah full तो वो सारे hoot कर रहे थे, पता नहीं क्या क्या कर रहे थे. And I remember in one of the scenes I have a knife in my hand and I'm supposed to go like slit the dictator's
I will
throat, right?
kill you.
Yeah, so I had the knife and I turned around towards the audience with this like glare in my eyes with the knife in my hand, and those boys shut up for like a minute. Everybody went silent for a minute. Because I was so angry. I was like, fuck you, you know, दफा हो जा, क्या मसला है, मैं मार दूंगी तो. It was a very intimidating play on its own. So that experience was a very feminist experience. I realized that I like doing this. I like intimidating men into and I would love
They
to do
were
more.
not intimidated by you. They were just like, because when it comes to audience, they treat, I guess,
Yeah.
every performer the same.
Yeah. Yeah. A
Because
little bit, I guess.
when you are a theater actor, and even if you are a debater, a public speaker, if you go on stage,
Yeah.
they hoot. No
बहुत
matter
ज़्यादा.
what, they hoot.
बहुत
And
ज़्यादा. And
I love that.
it's hilarious though, because my director, she I remember जब हम practice करते होते थे ना, तो she would call lots of guys जो हमारे दोस्त हैं and would ask them to hoot, because she's like, you need to get used to this, boys are gonna hoot when you're on stage. So थोड़ी सी practice थी मुझे.
That's why
Yeah.
okay.
क्या? Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
That's why you said with the dagger in your hand, fuck you.
Yeah, I was like, you know. So I guess, but I would love to do more feminist theater. That's for sure.
That's great. And you know, I actually learned the word penchant.
Really? Because you didn't know what
I thought it was penchant.
I used to pronounce it as penchant as well, if I'm honest, because hey, listen, we're not French. It's okay.
Because you know, when I was going to interview you, and I said, okay, I have to use this word. I have to actually look for it because she is the editor, and she might say, okay, that's not how you pronounce it. You have to pronounce it penchant.
No, I don't mind mispronunciations. I understand completely. But एक और मेरी बात जो which is kind of funny is that I'm terrible with spellings, and मेरे बहुत बुरे spellings हैं, बहुत बुरे. So the editing
good
part
with
Alina has to do.
Yeah, she is very critical about these things. She even criticizes grammatical errors. एक तरह से comma को भी criticize करती है.
She does. She does. Which is why I'm so lucky to have her as my the editor in chief. She takes the load for that part.
And do you actually plan to publish this magazine as well, except online, like in hard form?
Yeah, maybe. I might. But the thing is, कि with print, it becomes a little more tedious having to find the right sort of print and like किस तरीके से मैं कराऊं और how will I distribute it further to different channels. अगर मैं print करा दूं, क्या दुकानों में रखूंगी या दुकान वाले रखना भी चाहेंगे ये magazine, you know. There are a lot of things to consider. एक और भी इसमें बात थी कि somebody sent in this problem saying कि your magazine is not published as a monthly magazine, right? It's published, it's updated quickly. Digital archives हैं उसकी. So I मतलब the reason I do that is because if I published it as like एकदम से सारा कुछ, so then it would have to like go forward to people in like PDF formats और ऐसे करके वो तो it's not interactive enough, right? It's not as engaging, it's not as interactive. वो फिर एक academic ही simple रह जाएगा. There won't be a lot of discourse and discussion. So that's why I decided to make it into a little different format. के we have monthly dates for each portion of the magazine. 1 month is dedicated fully to one thing, and then we have specific portions के ये इसको publish होगा, ये इस date को publish होगा, ये इस date पे publish होगा. That's why it's like this.
Nice, that's actually good.
Thank
Okay,
you.
अब ये सारे हो गए हैं हमारे जो detailed questions थे ना, we are done
जी.
with it. ठीक है? Now we are moving towards rapid fire.
अच्छा.
Try to be rapid. We have 30 questions and you have to be rapid, like very rapid. I
नहीं, I can do this. हाँ.
You can do that too.
अच्छा हाँ चलो ठीक है कर सकते हैं हम.
Ready?
We only have 6 viewers though. मैं थोड़ी सी demotivate हो रही हूँ. लोग नहीं देख रहे हमें.
That's okay because this will be posted afterwards and people will come. Usually when it comes to live session, people come and go. That's the point.
Yeah.
And we are not celebrities. At least I am not.
Neither am I. अच्छा हाँ चलो ठीक है. Let's do this. हाँ कर सकती हूँ.
Ready? Okay. Misha, question number 1. How often is it healthy to cry?
How? क्या? Sorry.
How
What?
often is it healthy to cry?
To drive?
To cry.
अच्छा sorry. It's I'm not क्या कहते हैं therapist, but I think you can cry as much as you want, whenever you want, 2 times a day, 3 times a day, whatever suits you. खाने की तरह रो जो भी है. रो बेटा
Okay.
जितना रोने रो.
You have to be very rapid. How are you feeling today?
Wonderful.
What do you look for in your life partner?
So many things. Some too explicit to say here, but I want him to be a compassionate, patient person. I want him to understand that I am anxious and he needs to be patient enough with me to bear that anxiety, calm and collected. And he shouldn't be an anxious person.
Okay. Then I love that answer.
Thank you.
But you are an actor. What genre you like to play the most?
Satire.
Satire.
Yes.
Seriously.
My favorite. Yeah, my favorite.
If I would have known, I would have designed this thing totally differently.
हाय अल्लाह पहले पूछ लेते.
Okay.
चलो
Who
कोई
is your
बात नहीं.
style icon?
Who is what?
Who is your style icon?
Style icon? I have none. Myself.
What is the biggest misconception about theatre?
That it's supposed to be loud and extravagant and overdone all the time. It doesn't. It can be subtle and calm and still be as poignant and stingy as it can be.
Okay, what is the biggest misconception about feminism?
That it means completely hating and obliterating men from the face of the earth. Feminism is for women and for men both.
Thanks for clearing that because नीचे जो comments आ रहे हैं ना, I cannot see it जिस तरह तुमने बताए थे. They would be relaxed to know that it demands equality.
Yeah, feminism is for women and men both. Patriarchy does not benefit men, women, anybody. Keep that in mind.
Okay. What is the best piece of advice your mom has ever given you?
Oh, so many. My mother has told me to be respectful towards everybody and be compassionate and a little patient before I
And
react.
less anxious.
Yes.
What is the best advice your father has given you?
Don't do things you can't handle.
What is the best advice your editor-in-chief, Alina, has given you?
He hasn't given me any advice yet.
And
We don't
what is
need
your
to
schedule
advise
these
each other.
days?
Kya?
What is your schedule these days?
I wake up at 11, I have breakfast, I cook, I help my mother, I try to spend time away from screen as much as I can. I read, I watch some TV, and then at 10 p.m. I watch like this drama Pakistan ka purana 90s ka hai, Nijat with my parents. It's a great drama on family planning and everything. Everybody should watch it.
Okay. Which genre of movie you prefer watching?
I hate movies. I don't have the patience for it. I don't watch movies.
God, I didn't write any movie questions in this rapid fire.
Oh, good for you and me.
Okay. Now it's your acting skills we need.
Oh my god.
Ready? Listen carefully. You have to recreate the following scene with 3 different expressions. First, tell me that are you familiar with this scene? What is this behavior, Pooja?
I'm not.
Okay, I'm telling you the dialogues now.
Okay.
What is this behavior, Pooja? Like person 1 is saying, what is this behavior, Pooja? Person 2, you wanna hit me? You're asking for it. You're dying for it.
You're going to have to repeat all of that. What does Pooja say? What does Pooja say?
Pooja doesn't say anything. Person
Achha.
1, like I'm the one person. I'm saying, what is this behavior, Pooja?
Okay.
You are the second person. Do you wanna hit me? You are asking for it. You are dying for it. These
So
are the
I say,
lines.
do you want to hit me? You are asking for it. You are dying for it, right?
You have to play the person 1 as well.
Hi.
Who says what is this behavior, Pooja?
Okay. Wait, these are 2 separate people?
These are 2 separate people, and your first expression is seductive.
What is this behavior, Pooja? उसके बाद क्या कहती है? Repeat that.
The second person says, do you want to hit me? You are dying for it. You are asking for it.
Do you want to hit me? You're asking for it. You are dying for it. I tried. I can't do this.
This was seductive?
I think so.
Okay, now you have to say that in angry tone.
Huh.
Now you have to be angry.
What is this behavior, Pooja? Do you want to hit me? You're asking for it. You're dying for it.
Okay, now you have to be excited.
Ay Allah, this is so annoying. Achha. What is this behavior, Pooja? Do you want to hit me? You're dying for it. You're asking for it. अब मैं शर्म से मर जाऊंगी और मैं अब इसके बाद नहीं आ रही I'm sorry. How do you not know this, Misha? Shut up, Fahad.
Yeah, how do you know it?
How do I not know it? I don't know. I've heard of it, but I've never watched this ever.
You need to get in touch with the screen right now.
I'm what?
You need to get in touch with your screen right now.
Right now.
Okay.
Thank you.
What is your favorite song?
I'm doing great. Thanks. Okay, sorry.
Oh, hi. She is doing great. You are doing great. And you said you were camera shy. You are killing it.
Camera shy. Yeah, camera shy. मेरी आंखें फट रही हैं. Can't you see?
Okay. Misha, what is your favorite song which you are listening to these days?
Ooh, there's this song by this band called Washed Out. It's shit. मुझे नाम भूल गया. Wait, let me think. Feel something. It feels all right, I think. It feels all
It
right
feels all
by
right.
Washout.
Okay,
Beautiful
I'll
song.
give it a
Please
try.
listen to it.
If it
Okay.
exists, I will give it a try. If it actually
It,
exists.
I'll send you a link to it. It exists. It exists. Beautiful song. Okay.
Okay, what is the strangest rumor you have heard about yourself?
I'm not famous enough to have rumors about myself.
You must have. You are famous.
None that I don't get to hear these though. I mean, I would say that some people
Oh,
think,
nice response.
yeah, I don't get to hear these. Misha here for support. Thank you, Zubair. Hi. Thank you, my fans. Okay, that's fine.
What is your favorite dish that your mom cooks?
Biryani. Biryani.
Yeah,
Hands down.
you know why I ask this question to everyone so that when they invite me, I can tell them that please ask your mom to make this dish for me.
Maybe I'll keep that in mind.
Okay, it's Halloween and you would be dressed as.
It's Halloween and I would be dressed as Medusa.
Ooh, that would be great. And Alina will be Cruella.
We could pull it off so well. Both of us.
If you were a superhero, which superpower you would have?
To fly, probably.
Okay.
Flying.
You
Yeah.
read a lot. Which book really touched you?
Oh, so many. This is such a difficult question. I only
You
read
can
books
name
that.
three.
Acha, okay. So there's this one book called Tiny Beautiful Things by Cheryl Strayed. I think it's a book that everybody should read in their life, no matter what point they are in. The other
Okay.
book I read recently is called We Learn Nothing by Tim Creeder, actually, and their collection of essays. Beautiful prose, wonderful essay about almost anything and everything. And the third would be any series from Terry Pratchett's Discworld series, which is like a fantasy fiction series. I think maybe The Witch's Vacuum Cleaner. It's a beautiful book by Terry Pratchett. Everybody should
Okay.
read it.
I don't know any of these people. I need to get in touch with books more often.
I'll send you a list. You can choose one from them.
I actually want to know about that tiny beautiful things which you said. I would
Yeah.
love to read that.
It's a
What
beautiful
book are you reading these days?
I'm reading this book by Ruthie Lacey या Lindsay. It's called. देखो मैं नाम कैसे भूल जाती हूँ. Wait a second. I have my Kindle here. एक second.
Be careful, just don't fall.
Wait, I won't fall. Don't worry. Okay. I'm going to tell you the name. There's a. Right there. See, Kindle होने का फायदा. There I Am by Ruthie Lacey. Yes.
Okay. Suggest me a book to read.
Tiny Beautiful Things, Cheryl Strayed.
Okay. Fictional character you want to spend a day with?
Fictional. I don't know. Captain America. Maybe.
Okay. It could have been from any book that you're reading, but you said
I
Captain
mean,
America.
a lot of the books I read are not fictional, so maybe that's why I can't choose
Because I
one.
think Captain America is not fiction for you. It might be your fantasy.
I have reasons to want to hang out with Captain America, okay?
Okay. Next question now is, what are the reasons you want to hang out with Captain America?
Bad timing, man. मुझे पहले इतनी पता नहीं कौन सी बददुआएं मिल रही हैं. यार, many reasons.
You have support in the comments, I guess, because you said your friends were there too. Because I cannot read the comments, I can literally not see the comments.
I mean, you're very lucky. पता नहीं मुझे तो लोग नमाज पढ़वा रहे हैं, क्या-क्या पढ़वा रहे हैं. Thank you, यार. I have my mother for that. But the reason I would like to spend a day with Captain America is because he's hot, and there are things that a woman wants to do when she sees a hot man.
Okay, I get it. Next question. Moving towards the next question.
Thank you, Fahad, for that little pick me up. Sorry, huh? Thank you,
Yes,
Zainab.
sure. When do you feel most beautiful?
Most beautiful. Almost all the time.
That's what I was going to say. Because I get to know you a bit, and you would have said all the time.
बस अब मैं क्या करूँ यार, थोड़ी सी conceited हूँ. Conceited नहीं, I guess I'm just secure in myself.
Or maybe narcissistic.
No, I'm not. Narcissism is an insecurity. I'm not insecure about my beauty.
Is it? Okay, we have to talk about that some other time.
Okay.
What irritates you the most?
Oh my God. People, mouth sounds, chewing. Makes me want to kill people so bad. I have misophonia, which is like an actual thing where you really want to just punch somebody if they make mouth sounds. Like really bad anger. So, that. Fahad, you are beautiful. Sorry.
Okay.
My comments. Sorry.
Yes, you can read the comments. That's the point of live chat. You can read the
Yes.
comments and you can address them if you want to.
Yes.
Describe yourself in 3 words.
Passionate, prominent, introverted.
You are not introvert. Not at all.
I am introverted. I'm
Not
very
at all.
introverted. I mean, I'm good with people. I can talk to people. I'm very nice, but I would prefer solidarity and solitude and being alone more.
Okay. Do you watch TV shows?
A little bit.
Name your favorite TV show ever.
Golden Girls and Full House.
Okay, I don't know any. I don't know any of it.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. If you could go back in time, which era you would have gone to?
Maybe the 80s or 90s. Life was interesting. Things were changing.
Jazz.
That maybe as well.
Okay. Silliest nickname ever given to you?
The best nickname? What? Can you repeat?
The silliest. The silliest.
Oh my God. I was called Mishu Pishu for a while, and that was embarrassing
Just
on
like
its
Machu
own.
Picchu.
Mishu, what? Sorry, I couldn't hear.
Just like Machu Picchu.
Yeah, Machu Picchu, or I don't know. It also changed to Mishi Pishi many times, and that's embarrassing for reasons you can understand. So,
I get it. You don't have to elaborate on the fact. I get it. Okay, if you write an autobiography, its name would be. That is a good question.
That would be the name. That's right.
That is good. That is perfect. Nisha, these were all the questions, and you were so great. Like with all the Behanchara questions, with all the feminism addressing questions, with all your personal questions,
Thank
you
you.
nailed it.